How to copy text from Chat GPT all at once. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open Chat GPT on your browser or simply application. Once you land on this interface, you have to type a message. So let's say describe about school and tap on arrow, and the text message will be shown on the Chat GPT section. You can easily tap and hold on the text you want to copy. And after that, here you will see select all. Tap on select all button. And after that, this will copy all the text in a single response. This is available in most of the applications or browser. And after that, tap copy. And after that, the copy from the pop-up menu will appear on your screen. You can easily open any of the application or document where you want to paste it, and then you can easily paste the copied text, and after that it will be pasted. So in this way you can easily copy all the text of ChatGPT all at once. I hope this guide helped. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.